Hey YouTube, how's it going? Well, check the update. How do you guys think about the new engine overhauling? Well, you guys saw in the video one how really damaged it was, and looking now, I mean, I did a pretty good job on it. I mean, what you guys think? What you guys think about it? I mean, the little flakes you guys see there, that's the floor, so I mean, what you guys also right now, Pops is gonna come out, went to go get the keys and start this baby up. I mean, everything was alright, well, here goes Pops and gonna start the engine up. From video 1 to video 2, you guys saw the results. Leave a comment. See, because it needs a little bit of a radiator fluid. There you go, the bad boy. Put in some nice and sweet. Well, here you go, update 2. Well, let me give you guys a peek of doing a oil change on it. And leave a comment, see what you guys think about this.